Children, today we are going to learn lesson number 4, water safe for drinking. Take a glass of water, add sugar and stir it well. What will happen? The sugar will fully mix with the water. We cannot separate water and sugar. Now see what changes takes place. Now we will repeat this experiment with the following things. So take common salt, honey, washing soda, powdered alum, sand, wheat flour, sawdust, turmeric powder and some oil. Now add these all things in water. What do you see? You will see sugar, salt, washing soda, alum is turti. These all things disappear in water. ये सारी चीज़ें पानी में टोटली मिक्स हो जाएगी, डिसअपियर हो जाना, गायब हो जाएगी. मीन्स these all things, sugar, salt, washing soda, alum, dissolve completely in water. क्या हो जाएगा? These all things dissolve in water completely. But sand, sawdust, turmeric powder, oil, these things do not dissolve. Means these things, sawdust, sand, turmeric powder, oil, these things do not disappear in the water. Means they do not dissolve in the water. Means through this experiment, what do you learn? We learn that some substances dissolve in water and some substances do not dissolve in water. The substance which dissolve in water, when the substance dissolve in water, the water taste totally change. Means if salt dissolve in water, what will happen? The water becomes salty. When sugar dissolves in water, the water tastes sweet. Now a new term. When a substance dissolves in water, a mixture of that substance and water is formed, and this mixture is called the solution of that substance. When a person gets loose motions, that time we used to give them solution of salt and sugar. That is called ORS or oral rehydration solution. And sometimes a patient has to put on saline, and that means saline is the solution of salt water. Sometimes other medicines may also be given through saline. Other medicines also used to give. These are the examples of useful solutions. Now do you know? Seawater is salty. Why it is salty? Because it is nothing but a solution of salt, and it occurs naturally. Naturally the seawater becomes salty, and we never use seawater for drinking. Now water of different wells may have different taste. Why it is so? Because some substances from the ground dissolve in the well water and give its taste to the well water. And if nothing is dissolved in water, then water has no taste. Remember, water has no taste. Now, when we remove the lid of a soda water bottle, what happens? Bubbles fizz out. To make soda water, carbon dioxide is a gas. This gas is dissolved in water under pressure. When the lid is removed, the pressure reduces and the gas bubbles out. Now again fill a container with water and add a plastic ruler, an eraser, a pencil, sharpener, rubber band, compass, a steel spoon, a plastic spoon, some groundnut shells, an iron nail, a screw, a coin, then stones, little twigs, leaves, soil. Now put these all things in the water and observe the water. What will you see? You will see the eraser, sharpener, steel spoon, nail, screw, stones, coin, the compost and the soil sink in the water and other things float in the water. Now what do you learn? You learn some things float on water while some things sink in the water. The things that float or are lighter than water and the things are heavier do not float on the water. They sink. Today we learn some substances dissolve in water while some substances do not dissolve in water. And the things which float on water are lighter than water and the things that sink are heavier than water. Thank you.